Hello everyone, good evening. This is Dr. Altamar Sheikh, endocrinologist. Let's talk about salt. We get a lot of queries about salt. Even today I've got questions on salt. So let me tell you that the regular salt or the table salt or the white salt that we have, which we call as the normal salt, which is available in the market, yes, this iodized salt which we buy usually from the market is sufficient for thyroid health, right? Now, how to preserve the iodine in the salt is by keeping it in the airtight container and see to it that the lid of the salt bottle or the jar is completely packed. Now that's important. If you keep the lid open, then there are chances that iodine may get vaporized and you may get low iodine in the food. This is one thing that we can take care. So message for iodine is that the regular salt or the table salt is sufficient for your thyroid health. We got another question today talking about what about other types of salt. So let me answer it in this way. The black salt, the pink salt, sendha salt, sea salt, kala namak, sendha namak, pahadi namak, ya mountain salt, all these type of salt also contain sodium. And even though the name is sea salt, even though it is derived from sea salt, the iodine content or the mineral content even from that salt is a little less, even to the tune of less than 2% in some cases. That is why the salt is iodized from outside. Despite its name, sea salt has less iodine, and we have to understand that. Let us get aware about it. The daily requirement for iodine is around 150 microgram per day, which is easily available from our normal table salt. And we have to avoid any supplement which would give you iodine more than 500 microgram per day. So be very, very careful, be aware and wary. Read the label. If you're on any kind of vitamin or supplement or io for thyro kind of any kind of this vitamin, please be careful. Talk to your endocrinologist. Is it really indicated for your type of thyroid? So in the start of the live, we did talk about that. Do you really need to have those different kinds of thyroid